Hi there. Are you looking for cheap and easy smoothie recipes that won't break the bank? Look no further. Here are 10 cheap and healthy smoothie recipes to add to your daily routine. Number 1, the classic strawberry banana smoothie. All you need is frozen strawberries, a banana, and milk. Blend it up until smooth and enjoy. Next up, the oatmeal banana smoothie. Blend rolled oats, a banana, milk, vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, and some ice until smooth. It's the perfect breakfast on the go. Number 3, the green smoothie. Simply blend spinach, frozen mango, banana, orange juice, and ice. You won't even taste the spinach, but you'll feel the health benefits. If you're craving something sweet, try the chocolate peanut butter smoothie. Blend together milk, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, banana, peanut butter, honey, and ice. It's like dessert in a glass. Moving on, the tropical paradise smoothie. Blend pineapple, mango, coconut milk, and ice. Close your eyes and imagine yourself on a secluded beach. Number 6, the apple pie smoothie. Blend apple, cashews, yogurt, honey, cinnamon, and ice. It's like having dessert for breakfast. If you need a caffeine boost, try the coffee smoothie. Blend coffee, almond milk, banana, oats, and ice for a delicious pick-me-up. Number 8, the berry blast smoothie. Blend mixed berries, banana, milk, and ice for a burst of flavor. Feeling adventurous? Try the rainbow smoothie. Blend together layers of different colored fruits and juices for a beautiful and delicious smoothie. Finally, the pina colada smoothie. Blend pineapple, coconut milk, yogurt, honey, and ice. It's like a vacation in a glass. There you have it, 10 cheap and healthy smoothie recipes to add to your daily routine. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great recipes.